Hi, my name is Warren. I'm from Madagascar and I'm 17 years old.
Hi, my name is Bo Angche. I'm from Myanmar. I'm studying Diploma in Hospitality Operation Management in Amity Global Institute.
So today we had this activity where we raced around the city and we saw so many different places. We saw different cultures, we saw different buildings, and all that together, I noticed it brought in so many tourists here in Singapore. So with that all said, it's really good. Hospitality here in Singapore is so good.
I did such a wonderful race, and most important thing and valuable things I learned during the race is like public speaking, well preparation, and the teamwork. So I will take these aspects and improvements to be applied in my future workplace and to be the better leadership industrial person in my future.
Hi, my name is Kia Jane Gato. I'm from the Philippines and I'm currently doing hospitality and tourism. What I've experienced for this activity was the tourist spots, the experience, and the whole teamwork. And it was fun for me because I get to experience a lot of things. I get to communicate with my group. Even though we're all from different countries, we're still able to talk with each other and communicate with each other. So for me, it was a fun experience. It was really good for us because it benefits our studies as well. That's it. Thank you.